Okay, backing up now. Watch the gravel. The structural support goes right here according to the schematic.
But this elevation detail contradicts the section we just reviewed.
Keep the flow steady on this side.
Great.
All right, watch that corner, make sure it fills up.
All right, hold it steady while I check the level.
Nice and even coat. Yeah.
The reflection is perfect in this light.
Bring it down slowly now, watch the edge. Steady, steady, hold it right there. All right, bring it in. Easy now. Got it, looks good. All right, hold it right there. Coming down slow, settle it in.
Gently press the soil around the base.
Okay, making sure it's firm but gentle.